Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily save Snapchat photos without them knowing in 2023. So let's go ahead and first open Snapchat and then tap on chats on the bottom right here. From here tap on the snap that you want to save. Say you want to save this one, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then tap on remix snap. From here just take a picture and then tap on the scissors right here. From here, you'll need to draw over all the picture to select all of it, just like I'm doing right here. Just draw over it. Once you're done, tap on done on the top right corner, and then go ahead and quit the application and close it. Open it again, and then take a picture normally. After that, tap on the sticker right here. Tap on the scissors again. And then you'll find the picture there. Tap on it, zoom it in, and then go ahead and tap on save on the bottom left corner of the screen. And just like that, you have saved the snap without them knowing. You can go ahead and find it in your memories, and you can even save it to your phone and find it in your gallery, and that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and also subscribe for future videos like this one. Thanks for watching.